So we've got an ensuite in there, and then we're going to have a quick look at what's in there because that's something that I'm really impressed by. So the ensuite's very clean, very modern. Again, all brand new bath, shower facilities. Now, what could this be? And I'm going to open it up. Hi guys, it's Arsh, and in today's video we're going to be looking and doing a mini walk around a property that I recently acquired in Manchester, which is another part of the country that we're breaking into. In this property we're going to have 10 flats that are going to be utilised for service accommodation. I'm going to be walking you around the building, perhaps getting into one or two of the flats, some that we're doing a bit of work on right now, and really hope that you enjoy the video. Now, if it's the first time that you're watching, please do me a mini favour, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Every time I release a new video you get notified of it. So straight away, let's just take you through. This is a property that we've got on a long lease, and it's a property that was pretty derelict, and I'm going to try and put a link somewhere around there about a little walk around that I did of the property when we took it on just over 4 weeks ago. You can see it needs a bit of renovation, and that's exactly what we're looking to do. And here we are. The property is pretty much 70% finished. So at the 10, near enough got 7 ready. I'm going to walk you around some of the apartments and see what you think. Now, I'm currently in the communal hallway. So as you walk through the main front door, let's just quickly show you. So we've done a bit of a design feature right there. So you can see that we've made it really almost like Instagrammable. So we've got a massive mirror wall there. And I tried to create this as almost like a jungle theme entrance. So as soon as a guest walks in, they go, wow, look at the state of that. It's absolutely fantastic, and you find that when guests really come in, first thing that they want to do, they really want a bit of a wow, a bit of an experience. And this is what we're trying to create within the property. So I'm going to take you into apartment number 1 and see what you think about this. So as we go to apartment number 1, straight away you can see really large. So when we call them apartments, these are more like studios. So everything's self-contained within the one room. So as you can see, as we walk in, we've tried to keep it quite clean. We've tried to keep it quite modern. And again, we've put lots of little features on the wall. So we've got some wood paneling features there. We've kept with the theme of green and blue. And what I really like about what I've done here is that I wanted to make sure that the whole place was self-contained. So let's just have a little wander around the room. So every one of the apartments, sorry, I've just sat on that bed and I've checked into this room for the evening as I'm doing some work up in Manchester for the week. So we've got an ensuite in there, and then we're going to have a quick look at what's in there because that's something that I'm really impressed by. So the ensuite's very clean, very modern. Again, all brand new bath, shower facilities. Now, what could this be? And I'm going to open it up, and I'm really impressed by this. So as soon as you open it up from the outside, it looks just like a cupboard. But when you open it, guess what, guys? We've got a full self-contained kitchen. So we've got a hob, we've got a fridge, we've got a microwave, a toaster and a kettle, and also a full working sink. And we found that this has been a big hit with the people who have stopped here so far. More importantly, we've put lots of safety features in place so that there's no issues with it when the doors are shut. And we found that guests have really loved stopping here because, let's face it, no one wants to look at an open kitchen, especially when they're surrounded or kept in one room. So we've tried to keep it really clean, we've tried to keep it really modern, and we've found that our guests are really loving it so far. So let's take you upstairs. So I can't take you in all the apartments because at the moment we've got some guests in here. So I'm going to take you, we've got apartment 2 there. We've had to create a mini cleaner's cupboard and a cleaner's kitchen. So the cleaner's got some stuff. So again, just walking through, that will take you back to the main entrance. Again, that feature which guests have really loved. So you can hear that we've still got some builders working in the building. So let's take you up. So we've got apartment 3. We've had all brand new carpets all throughout. Let's take you up into, let's see if we've got people working. We've got someone in apartment 4 at the moment and apartment 5. I'm going to try and take you into apartment 6 if it's open. Yep. Okay, so this is one where we're having some work. So here right now, you can see this is where it's currently been built, the kitchenette. And again, the en-suites have all pretty much all been fitted. And off the back of that, I'm going to try and get apartments 6 and 7 live by the end of this week. So that's 70% of the building. We've had to completely rewire the whole building. So this is one of the smaller rooms, but we've done other smaller rooms in the building and they've been really successful and really well accepted and welcoming by the guests so far. So you can see this is where the new carpets finishes. This is where the old carpet starts. So we're working up on the second floor right now, and this is, you can see, we're doing a lot of work here. This is room number 7, and we've really had to play around with the layout in this building to make sure that we're really fulfilling the potential of the building. So this will be apartment number 7, where our kitchen will pretty much go over there. We've got our ensuite over there. Bed will pretty much fit over here. We'll probably put a feature wall over there, and it will work really nicely. Now here, having to be a little bit creative because this was one big bathroom. Now we're converting the one bathroom now into 2 bathrooms. So you can see that we're putting in the partition. So this will be a bathroom and that will be another bathroom. And as we look through here, you can see that we've actually knocked out a wall as well. And the reason why we've knocked out a wall is because then, let's just take you through. We're going to take you into this room here, which will be room number... Oh, we've lost the door here. Anyway, so Neil, this is number 10. Right, okay, so we'll be in number 10. And as we walk through here, now as we walk through this door, we're going to try and get the shower over in that corner. The toilet will move next to it, and we'll probably put a hand wash basin here. You can see the old existing shower there. So we're really trying to utilise the space there. So in this room, again, a smaller room than normal, but will still be very workable. You can see that we've put another stud partition there, and as we go into room number 9, where we've got the builder up on the ladder. Hello, Neil. Right, okay, just having to tread carefully here. You can see we're putting a stud partition up. The reason why we're doing that is because we're utilising some of that room over there. Again, we've got to knock out this wall. This is going to be an ensuite for this room, so this is going to be room number 9. And again, not a huge room, but equally still will have a double bed and all the facilities that we've seen in all the other rooms. And the kitchen, again, on this one will fit. Neil, it's going to go against this wall here, yeah?
Yeah, over there, all there.
Has it got the depth to go here?
I don't know.
If it hasn't, can we? Because it'd be better there as opposed to there. We're eating into the room.
When the door's open, they've lost
Yeah. Okay. Something to factor in there. Got enough depth there.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And then again, we're going into room 10. Sorry, this is room number 8. And you see that this one does not have an ensuite. And what we're going to be doing is that bathroom that we've had on the right-hand side that we've split into 2. One of those bathrooms are going to be serving that. Other side of that bathroom is now going to be serving here. And then you've seen the stud partition that we've just created there. That's going to be serving that. So we are retaining the full 10 rooms and making the most out of the building. And off the back of that, just give you some brief calculations, some brief figures to work on. Is that on average during the week, the rooms, or should we say the mini flats, are rented for circa £70 per night. And then on the weekend, they're achieving approximately £100 to £120 per night. So if you do some brief calculations, it can tell you that the building is actually generating a very decent income. And off the back of that, we've created what I would consider quite a high-end product. So there we have it, guys. So 10 apartments going to be ready. Hopefully will be ready by the end of the year. 7 will definitely be ready by the end of this week, and then the other 3 will depend on the works that's happening in the en-suites that you've seen above. As always, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting like, subscribe and share, would be a massive help for me. If you wouldn't mind, if you want to get social with me, please find me on social media. You can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Clubhouse and TikTok, all under the handle of Arsh. And this channel is sponsored by the Property Investor app, which is the UK's first property investment platform, which showcases all kinds of deals all over the UK. Whether you're looking for that below market value deal, that rent to rent deal, that lease option deal, we've got them all there. Now, there are 2 ways to get involved. You can either go to the website, which is propertyinvestораpp.co.uk, or if you've got a smartphone, go to the App Store, type in Property Investor and download it from there. So I really hope you've enjoyed the video, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you and bye-bye.